Welcome to Chef's Corner. In this episode, we talk to Jay Drumm from Wendy's. Hi Jay, what's your official title?
Senior Specialist of Culinary and Innovation.
And what exactly does that mean?
I work in research and development. I have a culinary background and work to develop all the exciting and new types of food and things that you see on the Wendy's menu.
What's a typical day look like for you?
Well, we're all working on different projects all the time, and the priorities change daily, basically. So we don't really have a typical day, which makes it super exciting because I'm a creative, and I want to be able to express that creativity kind of as we need to really continue to evolve the menu from a breakfast standpoint or for the Wendy's menu standpoint. But there's a ton of exciting things that happen because we're able to have different day on a daily basis.
What was the best advice you ever received?
My first boss that I had when I worked at a country club, he really taught me about creativity and curiosity. Is never stop learning. There's always something new and exciting coming out in the food industry. And that really made me think a little bit more about what I could do in this in the industry, because there really is so much going on out there.
So what's the best thing about your job?
The best part of my job is truly just being able to deliver food that people can count on when they're in a rush in their busy life. We at Wendy's like to think of what we do here is fast food done right. We really just want to deliver the best food that they need at that moment. That's Wendy's.
So what do you think the future looks like?
I think coming out of this pandemic that we're all living through, people are looking for comfort. They want to feel safe again, and so there's a lot of comfort foods that are kind of popping back up as new trends or maybe different forms of those items.
What's one tip you can give us to be a better chef?
Truly one of the things that I get most excited about is a really good sear. And so one thing that I would say is something like, if you're just kind of starting out in the industry or you're avid about food, get yourself some cast iron. It's the best thing you'll ever do. You'll thank me later, believe me.
Thanks, Jay.